Hello future investors, ready to get enlightened with our smart investing tips in just 60 seconds. The first step is setting clear investment goals. Whether it's buying a house, retiring early, or starting a business, a specific target keeps you focused and motivated. Next, design your financial plan by outlining your income, expenses, and investment goals. While doing this, consider factors like risk tolerance, time horizon, and diversification to create tailored plan. Budgeting is key. Differentiate between necessities, luxuries, and savings. Allocate income towards essential, treat yourself responsible, and prioritize savings for your goals. Build an emergency fund for life surprises, providing peace of mind and preventing from your dipping into investments during tough times. Focus on long-term growth by investing consistently over time, harnessing the power of compounding and diversifying your portfolio.